wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. My name is Dina Kafidatur Rohma and I'm a junior auditor seek to audit the land and building account in the current year financial statement. On this occasion, I will present the result of my audit of the fixed asset account, specifically land and building. The company that was the subject of my audit is PT Wahana Eka Setia. The audit was conducted on fixed asset account used by the company in its operational activities. The accounts that are the focus of this audit are land and building. Both are included in the category of fixed asset. For the land account, the total book balance and last year balance are obtained from the list of fixed asset. The balance sheet was 125 million. Beginning balance from list of fixed asset cost 125 million. This means that no new land was purchased during 2022. The company's land only come from previous purchase in 2001. Discontinuation is zero. This means that there were no sale or disposal of land throughout 2022. A land is still owned by the company. Balance audit of zero, meaning there is no discrepancy between the accounting record and the audit result. And book balance is zero. From the calculation, the difference is 125 million. During the audit process, there were no mutation or change in value. The asset value was consistent with the existing asset list and record. Land did not experience depreciation. For the building account, the total book balance and last year balance are obtained from the list of fixed asset. The amount checked is 353,950,000. Beginning balance from the list of fixed asset 353,950,000. For building a debt in 2022 and discontinuation, there was no asset termination or disposal, so it was recorded as empty. Therefore, the audit balance is 353,950,000, and the book balance is also 353,950,000. The difference is zero because the audit balance minus book balance. So, based on the recalculation of the accumulated depreciation, the accumulated depreciation amount was taken from the list of fixed asset depreciation, which saw a balance of 165,871,250. Then, the depreciation for 2022 was taken from the total building depreciation recorded in the previous year, which is 18,347,500. To calculate depreciation for 2022, we must calculate building depreciation using the straight line method. The basis is to divide the acquisition value or cost by the estimated useful life. The details are as follows. First, office building from the fixed asset list. The acquisition value is 52 million and the useful life is 20 years. So, the annual depreciation is 52 million divided by 20, which equal 2,600,000. Second, warehouse building. Based on the fixed asset list, the acquisition value is 258,575,000 and the useful life is 20 years. Therefore, the annual depreciation is 258,575 divided by 20, which is 12,988,750. Third, for the security force, garden, and parking area, we refer to the depreciation and accumulated depreciation list. The total depreciation for this group is 2,818,750 per year. If the add up the total depreciation of the building, the result is office is 2,600,000, warehouse is 12,928,750. Security, garden, and parking is 2,818,750. The total is 18,347,500 per year. Therefore, the total depreciation we must recognize for the building category is 18,347,500. By adding these two values together, we obtained the audit balance, which amount 184,218,750. Next, I compare this audit balance with the book balance, which is the accumulated depreciation recorded by the company for the year 2022. After performing this comparison, there is a difference of 347,500, which represents the gap between the audit balance and the book balance. As a result of the variance identified from the recalculation and adjusting journal entry is required, the adjustment recorded is depreciation expense in debit 347 and 500. Accumulated depreciation in credit 347,500. This adjustment is made to correct the understatement of depreciation expense and to ensure that the accumulated depreciation balance for the building is properly stated in accordance with the recalculated amount. That's conclude my presentation on the audit of the land and building account. Thank you for your attention. I am available to answer any question you may have. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.